Every little thing I do brings me right back to you. I try to walk away, but you're loving like cocaine. Now when she in my bed, I think of you instead. When you're under me, girl, I'm under pressure. You always find a way to cave me in. I try to drown you out.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Currently I'm in a 1 lane that's supposed to be a 3 lanes, so traffic is really bad right now. On my way to O'Gara to try to film the best B-roll sequence I've ever done. I mean, there's in the future something will top it because of the cars that we see, but today my goal is to make the best B-roll sequence I've ever done, because I feel like that's sort of what is my little thing, the B-roll sequence that I do every single time I go to car shows or anything related to cars, and always do a B-roll sequence, and you guys really support that in the comment section of my videos. So my goal today is try to make the best B-roll sequence I've ever made, and it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna say this ahead, it's gonna be crazy, so you guys will see that once we get to O'Gara after this horrific traffic we're in.
When you're under me, girl, I'm under pressure. You always find a way to cave me in. I try to drown you out, now it's sink or swim. You don't know what you do to me. I'm sleeping with the enemy. You always find a way to cave me in.
I hope you guys enjoyed that very epic B-roll sequence. This is like something that I want to do like once in a while, not every single time, because I like to commentate and stuff, not just do B-roll. Although B-roll and that comes out really good on the camera and you guys love it, I like to commentate and stuff, so I can't just straight up do B-roll all the time, but I will do it once in a while, just straight up B-roll, epic B-roll sequences. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.